Get ready one by one. Let's meet the starting lineups of the Kalispell PBR. Starting off with Mandan, North Dakota's Weston Hartman. Let's bring it to Salina, Texas. Sail on a Tide, Chandler. Let's go to Stephenville, Texas for Trace Brown. Blackfoot, Idaho brings us River Stevenson. All the way from North Platte, Nebraska, Young Mason Ward. Cadigan, Alberta, sailing to Lonnie West. From New Mexico, Joseph Vasquez. Redmond, Oregon brings us Jory Marcus. St. Anthony, Idaho, say hey to Garrett Remington. How about Staley, North Carolina for Gage Gay? Go Canada, say ho to Glad Rockford. Let's go to Newport, Washington. Cody Casper. Go all the way to California to find Chase Weimer. Let's go to Jones, Oklahoma, and Caleb McCaslin. Curtis in Texas, Bryce Lawler. How about back to Canada? For Brock Radford. Let's go to Saskatchewan and meet Blake Smith. Let's go to Utah and Bill Henry. Well, what do you say? Let's meet some superstars from the big sky country of Montana. From Kalispell, Montana, give it up for one of your own, Chance Life. Montana, sail out of Bo Bosu. Valier, Montana's Cole Wagner. Valier, Montana, and Tristan O'Neill. Let's take a trip to Bridgetown, Montana for Bo Nardal. Let's go back to Trago. Give it up for one of your own, Carol Esch. The men that stand in front of you are truly champions, one and all. And among champions, there is yet another level. That one saved for superstar. The first cowboy, ladies and gentlemen, a 22-year-old Station, hails from Claresholm, Alberta. He's off a fresh warm win in Clary Invitational Bull Riding. I want you to give it up for Mr. Griffin Smeltzer. From a Nebraska high school champion to now one of the most recognized names in the PBR. He is a PBR world finalist and a brand new member of the Austin Gamblers from Gordon, Nebraska. Say hey to Connor Halverson. The next young cowboy, ladies and gentlemen, has two definitions of fear. One is face everything and run. This cowboy says, I face everything and rise. From Blackfoot, Idaho, he won round number 1 with a 91.25 at the PBR World Finals. Give it up for Brady Olson. But who is the man that is taking the bull riding world by storm? It is the guy that the sun shines so bright 24 hours a day that the shades are gonna be on. For a 3-time Indian world champion that happened to win the Unleash the Beast series in Billings, Montana. Oh yeah, he's from Browning, Montana. The PBR